Researchers found something nobody wanted to find. When AI models train on content made by other AI models, they slowly fall apart. Their outputs get repetitive. Errors compound. Eventually, the system degrades into near gibberish. They called it model collapse. Here's what makes it dangerous. Estimates suggest AI-generated content now makes up over 50% of new material on the internet. That content is already feeding the next round of training data. Every AI system running today is quietly poisoning the ones that come after it, and no single company can stop it. So what happens when we can't tell the difference between a degraded AI and a working one?